Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward. How to add a debit card to Cash App. Whether you're new to the app or just need a quick refresh, this guide will have you set up in no time. Cash App is an awesome tool for sending money, investing, or even getting your paycheck faster, and linking your debit card makes everything even easier. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App downloaded on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, start by tapping on the profile icon in the top right corner. This is usually a person-shaped icon or your initials. It opens up your account settings menu. Next, scroll down until you see the Money or Banking section. Look for an option that says Add Bank or Linked Accounts. Tap on that, and then select Debit Card from the choices available. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your debit card details. Don't worry, it's secure. Just type in your card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV code on the back, and your billing zip code. After you've entered everything, double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Cash App might ask you to verify the card by making a small test deposit or asking for additional info, so keep an eye out for that. Once verified, hit the Add Card or Confirm button, and you're good to go. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your card is from a supported bank and that you have sufficient funds. Also, remember that linking a card can help with instant transfers, but there might be fees for some actions. There you have it. That's all it takes to add your debit card to Cash App. Now you can enjoy seamless transactions and more control over your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.